If you or your organization is concerned about violence and conflict, we can help. The Center for Violence Prevention and Self-Defense is a nonprofit that teaches people like you to recognize the signals leading up to violence before it starts and solutions to prevent it. Our center offers live conceptual seminars and training workshops that teach the origins of violence and how to assess the risks as well as prevention techniques. We also offer online courses and coaching along with an array of free tools on our website at CVPSD.org. The center's training program draws on 3 decades of rigorous research and expertise from subject matter specialists in diverse fields of conflict management, risk mitigation, prevention, and self-defense. Since violence prevention is not a one-size-fits-all concept, our center can customize violence prevention and risk management classes to address specific needs that align with corporate or agency compliance. The center's training programs cater to a wide range of needs, including private, group, and corporate formats. The center reaches individuals and communities through partnerships with schools, other nonprofits, community groups, as well as classes directly to the public. We educate at-risk people and empower them with the skills needed to protect themselves. Visit us at cvpsd.org.